So it's now fully downloaded. Let's get started. I've been wanting to buy the Insta360 Luna for the longest time. Kaya lang, wala siyang stock ng specific version that I want, which is the white version. Pero nung nakausap ko yung tao dito sa Insta360, ang sabi nila sa akin, it could take a lot of time, very long time, or talagang baka hindi ma-release dito sa Philippines yung white version. But yesterday, I received a text that finally, meron na silang stock dito sa Insta360 Mega Mall. So, we're gonna check out. And then kung meron, bibili natin. So, wish me luck. Ate, naka-receive ako ng chat na available na daw yung white version ng Luna.
Yung creators yun.
Creators combo.
Yes.
Magkano siya?
59,490 po.
59,490. Sige. Sige po, pwede patingin?
Okay, wala.
Thank you so much. Yesterday, umattend tayo dun sa event ng Insta360. So, yun yung creators launch. And doon natin nakita na motivate tayo. So, instead na tayo yung gagawa dapat ng content for us to sell, tayo yung nabentahan. So, I'm here. Hindi ko inaasahan na makakakuha talaga ako ng white dito sa Philippines. Wow. Ano to? Creators combo na to,
Yes po.
Ano po yung inclusive sa loob?
So inclusions na po. So you have the unit po, then micro, then ultra wide lens, and ano po ba?
Oh, wow. So, you have a sticker right here. Forward arrow. Very similar na nakikita mo doon sa mga Apple devices. So, inside the box is this big pouch right here. It's covered with plastic. Ooh, I like the color. So, as opposed to my DJI Pocket 4, I have Pocket 3 and Pocket 4, and it's usually the black one. This one is in gray. The feel is very, very similar. But let's look what's inside. Okay, so first, you got, of course, the Luna 360 camera. Tabi muna natin siya dyan. And then, you have, I think, this is the air muff. Together with the mic. And some cables. And I think this is the zoom lens, I think. And this is the extension adapter. And another extension adapter. So later on, Ate daw would do some demo. So we'll find out more where the use of these things. Oh. So there's like a big cover even before you can open the camera. And then there's a, I don't know what is this. It's a little switch right here. I think you have to lift it like that. And then it will open. And that is where you can pull out the camera. There's a sticker right here. And let's pull it out. This is the favorite thing that I do. Yes, pulling out stickers. Okay, I think that's it. Let's try to open this up. Wow, the white one is really amazing. It's really worth the wait. Because I've seen the black one in the event and it doesn't have that charisma ba. So while waiting for the download, let's explore some of the stuff. So I think this is the adapter. I'm not sure if this is also a battery. Is this a battery? This is also a battery. But this is, I think, also the mini tripod. So you just have to lift all these things right here. And then, just like the DJI, you can just plug it in like that. Make sure it's all locked in. And then, it will stand up like that. Neat. And then there's another one right here. I don't know what's this for.
Ano sir? Kasi trend lang sir. So this one may battery siya sir, this one wala.
Okay.
Then at the same time sir, this one's more compact, so mas smaller.
Okay. So, narinig yun. So, it's a similar stand. It's like the DJI na hindi creators combo. So, there is this one. I call this a small adapter that I wish they just attach to the DJI. So, I guess it has the same weakness, if I would say, na instead of just, nakakairita rin kasi na meron ka pang daladalang ganito, di ba? Instead of just it being part of the actual device. But I think the battery makes sense. It's much leaner and smaller than that of the DJI. So it's now fully downloaded. Let's get started. And wow. Move the joystick. Adjust now.
Yes.
So meron naman siyang tutorial on how you wanna do it or what you're supposed to do. So, double press, joystick to re-enter. So, kung familiar ka dun sa mga naglalaro kung naglalaro ka ng mga PS5, tapos meron tutorial sa umpisa, meron siya ganun. Yung mic naman daw, yung ating i-connect para ma-customize natin siya. Now it's connected, we can now customize the wallpaper and here are the options. Ayan. So, let's try to use the most iconic one. This one is the one I often see in most of the blogs. So let's try to download. Let's see if this is gonna change. So I thought this is just a digital thing that you can change. That once you turn it off, it will also turn off. But apparently there's I don't know if it's a printer or something, but it's literally writing everything. And if you turn it off, it will still remain like that. That's very cool, diba? Okay, so that wraps our experience. We're gonna take this baby home. We're gonna put it right back here. Thank you guys for joining me in this, and I'll see you again. Thank you.